Are we recording? Perfect. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Day in the Life Part 3. Alright, so today I got a special video here. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know where this video is gonna go exactly. I got a couple things I know that I'm gonna do with my buddy. Like right now I'm gonna pick up my buddy, and he rented a street bike because he rides bikes. But he rented a pretty nice bike, if I do say so myself. So if you guys know anything about street bikes, you'll know what bike this is. I'm not gonna tell you guys just yet, I'm just gonna show you guys, but this thing is sick. So right now we're gonna go pick him up. It's about like 9:30ish in the morning. Let's see, 9:30 in the morning. So it's about 9:30 in the morning right now, so we're about to go pick him up and everything because he needs a ride to go. He's just renting the bike, but still, just for renting it's pretty cool. But so we're gonna go pick him up really quick, and then we're gonna get to it. We're gonna start our day off. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Look at that boy. You ready, John?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right.
Yeah, got these worked out.
Oh, shit, that's right. Somebody shitted, bro.
What? What? That's not human shit. What is this? What is that? That is a big piece of shit. I never did it, dude. It's that fucking homeless guy.
Oh, yeah? Oh, dude, he probably wiped with that thing.
I know.
Oh, no.
Alright, we're gonna have to do some cleanup real quick here.
Is that your old helmet?
Yeah.
We gotta show them your bike, dude. So this is John. You guys remember him from the installing the coils video. He ate absolute shit.
I ate one of that shit on the ground.
Yeah, he ate shit like that, but on this thing. What is this? This is a CBR 600?
Yeah.
Yeah.
07.
Yeah, 07 CBR 600, and he fell. He dropped it. It's all right.
I hit a rock at like when I say a rock, I mean like a boulder at like 30, 40 miles an hour.
Yeah. It was not a very fun time for John, but he's fixing this thing up. But he's renting a bike right now. Tell him what bike we're renting, John. Tell him.
Renting a BMW S1000RR.
Oh shit! Yeah, that thing's gonna be sick. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. Oh, these are new fender liners and all that.
What? No, these are all the old shit.
Oh really?
Dude, look at this bullshit, dude. My headlights. That shit's broken, right? I could glue that on again, and I was like, oh, no big deal. This top ones are here, you know, no big deal. The other one, like, fucking mount's broken off. And you get the whole damn, you gotta buy the whole new headlight. You can't just buy like an outer piece unless you go like a junkyard or something. It's like $230.
Yeah, that sucks. But alright, John's getting me something really quick, and then we're gonna go to Cycle Gear because he's got to get a new helmet. Because like you just saw, where is it? This thing is no good anymore. So yeah, so we're gonna head over to Cycle Gear and everything. So how much did you spend, John?
I don't know yet, a lot.
Like what? 800 bucks?
Probably. If I'm lucky. Dude, these things are like $100 just the shields.
Really?
Yeah, they're expensive.
Oh my god, I didn't even know that. Well, it's like getting your windows tinted, I guess, huh?
Yeah, and it's like for the cheaper helmets, the shields are a lot cheaper, but
Yeah, that's true. Ooh, some of these are sick. These are. How do you pronounce these, John? Agus? Agu? Agu? Agu. We're gonna call them the Agus. My god.
you got it. So the camera's not doing it justice, but
Dude,
this shit is fucking.
That was actually awful.
You didn't scrape though, man.
I did not. Ready? That took place on a closed course with a professional driver. So This is it, huh?
This is it.
Dude, this thing is sick. Oh my god. So this thing has a quick shifter. What is it? It has a power commander.
Power commander, that full exhaust, whatever the fuck it's called, I don't know.
It's got a full exhaust.
Dude, listen to this thing, dude. It sounds so sweet.
Yeah, this thing sounds sick.
I don't want to rev it up in the school parking lot very much, but it sounds nice.
This thing is sweet.
A little dirty, but
That's alright.
whatever.
Whatever. You ready to ride it, bro?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, dude.
Likes to try to wheelie at high speeds that normal bikes. I mean, that's just
Dude, that's insane, man. You look good on the
that
bike.
was only a first gear pull too. That wasn't even a second.
Oh my god. So what do you think it is, Michael?
Knowing John, he bought an S1K. Either that or he traded in his Kia for, I don't know, some BM sports car.
Are you coming?
I'm on my way. I literally can only stay for a minute because I'm already late. So I'm driving to you guys so I can see it real quick, whatever the fuck it is. Because if it was anybody else, I know for a fact it'd be complete bullshit. But considering it's you, I know your ass would fucking spur of the moment would buy anything. So that's why it's somewhat believable.
Okay.
Fuckers, I'll be there in a little bit.
There he is.
Look at him walk so fast.
I know.
So aggressive. Michael, why are you walking so aggressive? What's wrong? Why are you walking so aggressive? It's so fast.
Whose fucking bike is this?
Whose bike do you think it is?
Why are you walking so aggressive?
Michael's fucked up, bro. Look at this dude. Ooh, baby.
Bullshit. Bull
dude?
fucking shit.
What's wrong, dude?
This isn't your bike.
I'm over unsure, brother.
What's the key? Why'd you get an S1K?
Listen.
Here, brother. Real nice bike. It has some good mods to it.
Yeah, dude, this thing is quick, bro.
I know it is.
So fast. 6th gear, he just instantly pulls.
Why'd you get an S1K?
It's only $220 for the day.
Oh, you rented it? Oh.
Hey, still, bro.
I was
Dude,
about
I
to
wanted
say.
ride. Dude, I was like, dude, we were looking. I saw that this website Rideshare, you can rent bikes like this. And like, I saw a video about it, and I'm like, dude, this is kind of sick. Like, let's see. Oh, they have a. I was gonna rent an H2, but it was in Ramona, so we didn't want to go down there and get it. They had one of these in like Claremont, so we were like, fuck it, dude.
Are you ready, Joey?
That and that. This is so bad, dude. Yeah. This is so bad. Yeah, it is. Like, don't crash. Huh? Don't crash. Don't you worry. I didn't even get to go over like 4,500 RPM.
Was it nice?
Oh, God. It's smooth, huh? It's so fast. It's so fast.
Was it hard to not get on it?
Yeah, of course. I shouldn't have done it. Shouldn't have done that. Okay. What is my leg hitting?
Burger King! Burger King, Jaime. That's where we're going. Burger King.
Burger King!
Look. Listen here. This needs to go here. Because, yes. Perfect.
It needs gas, so wherever you guys stop to get gas, I'll stop and fill up too.
I will be the greatest that you ever seen before. Eternal.
Alright, boys and girls, it's been a couple days since that last clip. I'm just now editing up this vlog for you guys. I do apologize if this video was literally all over the place. I know there wasn't much of me talking or anything. I know it was a lot about the bike that was in the video, but that was pretty much all we did. We just messed around with the bike, you know, mess with our friends, pretending that my buddy had bought that bike when he didn't. He just rented it, but yeah, she was just messing with my friend, so that's what made this video so funny. But yeah, I do apologize if it's like literally all over the place because I'm editing the video right now and I'm just like, this thing has like no storyline to it. It's just a bunch of random footage, so I do apologize about that, but I do hope you guys still enjoy the video nonetheless. So always thank you guys all so much for watching my videos. Like I always say, I do appreciate it so very much. Yeah, I'm gonna finish up editing this video and then I'm just probably gonna hang out for the rest of the night. So, but anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. So thank you guys all so much for always watching my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.